Hello class and good morning. Today we're going to be discussing the scientific method, which is a series of steps that are used to investigate a natural occurrence. Along with that, we're going to be utilizing and creating a study guide to help us better understand the scientific method and break down the 7 steps that are involved. This is the study guide that I speak of. It's called a Trifold, also known as a brochure. You see that we have an inside and we also have an outside. We have some pictures included to help us with our study. This is going to be created utilizing a Word document. So here we can see on the cover, we have step 1 of the scientific method, which is the problem and question portion. And that's to develop a question or problem that can be solved through experimentation. If you go ahead and open this up, we'll see that we have steps 2 and 3. Step 2 is observation research. Make observations and research your topic of interest. Step 3 is to formulate a hypothesis. Predict a possible answer to the problem or question. We have step 4, which is experiment. Develop and follow a procedure. Include a detailed materials list, and the outcome must be measurable or quantifiable. If I open this up, look, we have step 5, which is to collect and analyze results. Modify the procedure if needed, confirm results by retesting, and include tables, graphs, and photographs when necessary. Number 6 is the conclusion portion. Include a statement that accepts or rejects the hypothesis. Make recommendations for further study and possible improvements. And last but not least, we have step 7, which is to communicate the results. Present the project and its findings to an audience and encourage questions regarding these findings. We have the front side and we have the back side. This will be a study guide that we utilize. It will be helpful along the way. I hope you enjoy and have a great